This month's episode of Spirit Star News, I will be discussing about my official art for each Star Master and West calendar, the return of Angry Birds' crazy amazing ambassadors, and the announcement of my next QnA video, right here on Spirit Star News. Hi everybody! As you can see, we got Bubbles and... is it Stara or Stella? My name is actually Stella. Oh yeah, I forgot. I mispronounced your name back then. Hey guys, how was your morning? My is going good so far. Well, actually, I think when I record this, it's only afternoon. But whatever. Anyways, let's move on to the first news. So, first news of the month, I am finally going to release some official artwork of each Star Master and West calendar. Believe it or not, I haven't really been sharing you guys each calendar's art separately since 2015. But let's taste that right now because you can now see them in their Noble and Isaiah files in my Google Drive folder that you can access with the link down in the description. Now, for the time being, only the calendars that appear in Colored Swap Madness are in this folder. So, there's a test that I made there a redesign of a calendar that's currently not listed. With this folder, you can use their current design for your fun and silly fan arts. If you want your fan art to be featured on Spirit Star News, then either tweet me on Twitter or email me with the email address that I put in on my About tab. Make sure you verify you're a human though, or else we probably gonna have problems if following my email. Now, let's see if any of my Korean fans has some good art to sell me. This next news is about a series that I started back when this town was still new. Angry Birds' crazy, amazing ambassadors. I assume that most of you guys don't even heard about this series, considering that most of my subscribers now are from 2018, 2 years after the series finale came out. Well, to summarize it, it's a collection of Angry Birds Plus videos where the birds will sometimes not act their gay counterparts. So, in a way, it's a parody of Angry Birds with some extra characters thrown in. Oh, yeah, that's what we are. Now, I am going to bring back Angry Birds' crazy amazing ambassadors by the name Angry Birds More Crazier Ambassadors. Star Master, would it be more sense to call Angry Birds Crazier Ambassadors since we made the sentence redundant? Whatever, it was Bo who says the title. Yeah, I like it. Now, as you saw from the Where's the Birds episode, some of the birds behave differently than they were previously. Now, that's because I wanted most of the cast to stay away from adding too much to their cat personalities in the Averse websites, whether that's from the comics to the cartoon shows or even the movies. Though, honestly, the movies and the cartoons are two different canons, at least in my opinion. Now, if you're concerned that any of these videos will be set as made for kids, since this does involve me using plush toys, then you don't need to worry that much. My sense of humor has evolved over time that I may make some bizarre jokes or comments that will most likely fall over your other video's heads. And plus, in my comments, since it still gets teeth out or whatever it is, I can just turn it back on. There's no worry about that one. My last Everse Plus video got is comments because disabled. Though lucky is it because the video was made for kids. It's more like YouTube being stupid. They relate to my comments, but honestly, we got too long with this, so let's move on. Now, the reason why I said most of my Avery Bird's crazy, amazing adventures episodes as made for kids is due to my age back then. Throughout the original series 1, I was 12 to 14 years old, which means that I was a young teenager that has since went through my childhood. So my sense of humor was compared to a child to your teen. And besides, YouTube would have automatically set a few videos as made for kids anyways, since I did so my younger self, which compared to me now is a bit age difference. And firstly, I got more uglier as age. To me, that's probably because of my acne. Wait, yeah, acne? Close. Oh wait, I did now is your taste. He says, got on my shoulders. Aww. Now I will release a new Angry Birds More Crazier Adventures episode before Star Master F-West every month, since it's easier for me to make. Let's get more firepower on this channel! Yay! Now, it's been a year since I did my last QnA video, so it's now time to do another QnA session. Usually, I won't answer multiple questions for the same user, but since I do want enough questions as possible, I will allow them for this Q&A session this time around. You can put your questions down in my comment section, but make sure your question is family friendly because we don't want to scare viewers away. Now, the deadline is when I don't receive any questions for an entire week. I noticed that some viewers are behind on my uploads, so that deadline is fair for everyone. I hope to see you guys' questions in the near future. Anyway, guys, that's it for this episode of Spirit Star News with the guest being Paul and Stella. Anyway, I hope you guys have a nice day out there. And this is Spirit Stars signing off.